for finding the dimensions of a rectangles, but the rectangles forms the equation there will make you to form the simultaneous equation. And before I start solving this question, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So recall the property of triangle. Let us to know that this side is equal to this side. Another property that's telling us that this area is equal to this area. So therefore, let's try to relate this first. We have 2x is equal to x plus 1, y plus y. So in view, we have 2x minus y is equal to 1. So we have x minus y is equal to 1. We call this equation 1. So if this equation 1, and you also know that the value of 3y plus 2 is also equal to x plus 7. So this side is equal to this side. So we have 3y plus 2 is equal to x plus 7. So we have 3y minus x is equal to 7 minus 2, because by the time you take this to the other side. So we have let's try to make it. So this will now give you 3y minus s is equal to 5. So if that should be the case, let's try to say minus x plus 3y is equal to 5, equation 2. So in view of this, we now try to make the combine equation 1 and 2. This is our equation 1. X minus y is equal to 1 minus s plus 3y is equal to 5. So here we have to apply the elimination method. You just have to add the two equations together. We have plus x plus minus s will give us 0, minus y plus 3y will give us 2y is equal to 6, because 1 plus 5. So when it's now equal to 6, let's divide both sides by 2. We have a y is equal to 6 over 2, which is equal to 3. So now the value of y is equal to 3. So we now try to find the value of x by using any of the equation, either equation 1 or equation 2. So let's try to use equation 1 to have x minus y is equal to 1. So therefore our x, we don't know, minus 3 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 plus 3. Therefore our s is equal to 4 centimeter. Let's say 4, not centimeter. So our s is equal to 4 centimeter. So how do we now find the dimension? So the first one is 3y plus 2, which is, what is the value of our y? Is 3 onto 3 plus 2. We have 9 plus 2, which is equal to 11 centimeter. So here is 11 centimeter. Let's find another side. X plus y plus 1 is equal to, our x is 4. 4 plus, what is the y? Our y is 3 plus 1 is equal to, this is 8 centimeter. So we're able to get one area 11 centimeter, another side 8 centimeter. Let's cross check. Maybe we are really getting what we are trying to do. So let's find this side. We have 2x, which is 2 onto 4, because the value of s is 4, which is 8 centimeter. We're able to see that s plus y plus 1 is equal to 2x. That we used to prove it, that this side is equal to the other side. So now the same applicable to this. We have x plus 7, and our s is 4. We have 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. So let's try to draw the rectangles again to give us the exact shape. So now we're able to, so the 3y plus 2 is equal to 11 centimeter. So x plus 7, which is this, 11 centimeter, 2x, it gives us 8 centimeter. X plus y plus 1, which is this, also gives us 8 centimeter. So you're able to see that he has proved a proper rectangle formula. So this is how to use a simultaneous equation to generate a real dimensions of the a rectangle. So if, for example, you are now to find the area, is what? Area of rectangle is length times breadth. So which is, you can use either of the two. We have 8 centimeter times 11 centimeter. So the area is equal to 88 centimeter square. So that is the end of the solution for this class. So in case you are new in these channels, for watching this video, don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So thanks for watching.